All right, folks, welcome back. Box number 2 of this, my first case of Shadows of the Galaxy. I think that's what it is, right? Shadows of the Galaxy. First case, I mean, I don't know. Or, I mean, not first case. The first box. I'll give you a quick recap. That's all I got. So if it wasn't for this bonus one, I mean, I guess that's average, and if it's gonna only get average amount of legendaries of 3, I guess you might as well get one in hyperspace. But I guess I was spoiled on my first 2 boxes, because my first 2 boxes I got 5 legendaries. First box was 3 normals and 2 bonus. Second box was 4 normals and 1 bonus. So, all right, let's get to it. Let's see if this box can be a little better. Already starting with a hyperspace foil back there. So, still looking for a hyperspace foil legendary. And nope, common. Nice double rare pack. Ooh, that was Millennium Falcon, even though it's uncommon in this set. It's still a sexy card. Oh, 6 for 5/5. Well, it's got ambush. If you play this from your hand, get to ambush. Yeah, but a 6 for 5/5. I mean, maybe it's good because it has ambush, but I don't know. It's slightly underpowered. Usually for 6 you want stuff above 12. Ooh, that's a good looking card. Really good looking. Nice. And not much. Hoping to get back to 5 legendaries a box, because getting only 3 is kind of sad. Another Falcon. Oh, I got a playset now. I guess it's not hard to get a playset when it's uncommon, but I wonder if Blonde Sabine would play that one. I like me some Blonde Sabine. I like Cunning Bubba. So double Cunning Bubba, rather. Because Bubba is cunning. Ooh, nice looking Rancor. Another Rancor behind it. Wild one. I think that's the one people like. Deal 2 damage when played. 6. Not bad. Fortunately, we'll do damage to your units as well. Right, to each other ground unit, yep, not just enemy or friendly, everything. Ooh, I haven't seen this legendary yet. And common. Shielded when played, choose a captured card guarded by a unit you control. You may play it for free under your control. What? That's pretty nuts. Yeah. I'll take it. He's a 7 for 5/7. Shield it. That's not too bad, honestly. So if you captured something pretty big, that's a bummer for them. Ooh, another legendary. And another one I haven't seen. Take it. Common foil. This one right currently, which obviously prices will change, but currently the hyperspace one of this is the most expensive card that obviously is in a showcase. So pretty good. I'm assuming that's one that's gonna see play. Ooh, nice. It's only an uncommon, but it's a sexy card. I like it. Is that a female Bosk? No. No, it's just, I don't know. Maybe not. Boba Fett's armor. Oh, I'm still torn. I don't know. Like, I gotta see how Boba Fett from set 1's gonna fare in this set. He's gotta be good. I don't know. There's a lot of cards that I'm seeing that just, I'm thinking, man, that's gonna be so sexy in that, in his double cunning deck. Even the green Boba. We'll see. See how it turns out. Double rare pack. Not bad. Double rare pack. Not bad. Kind of dried up on the legendaries though. Ooh, Jabba the Hutt. Hyperspace foil back there. Still haven't gotten a legendary hyperspace foil. Here's hoping. Nope. That's alright. There's still time. There's still boxes to open, so. That's a good looking one though. That green. That's pretty cool. Uh-oh, 6 packs left. Man, this first box set the tempo for the case, and I'm kind of gonna be crying here. Like I said, I got spoiled with single boxes I ended up buying because they each had 5 legendaries, and now I'm starting to only get 3. That's no fun. It's no fun at all. But guarantee this one's probably gonna be 3 because we're down to the last few packs. So if you don't get them early, you're probably not gonna get them. But hey, it's 2 new ones that I haven't gotten, so I'm happy with that. I put that in the wrong thing. This goes there. And that goes there. All right, 4 packs left. Hopefully 1 more legendary, so we can get the average of 3. I would assume it's the same as the first set. Okay. Second chance. Attached to an all-letter unit. Attach unit gains when defeated. For this phase, this unit's owner may play it from their discard pile for free. I mean, I don't know. Seems good, but good enough to be a legendary? I don't know. I guess you're playing something for free. It's good. It should be something pretty big then, if that's the case. I don't know. Oh, baby. 4th legendary. Oh, that's sexy. 4/3. While playing this upgrade on unit, ignore its aspect penalty. Attached unit gains on attack, give an experience token to each other friendly. Oh, baby. So, the cool thing about this is those are all 4 legendaries I haven't pulled yet. Granted, this is only the 4th box I opened, but still. 4 boxes plus, what was it? 18, almost a box worth of pre-release stuff plus the packs they gave. So technically 5th box. Ooh! Finally, it didn't take too long. Hyperspace full legendary. Oh boy, that is sexy. That looks so good in hyperspace full. Oh my, yep. All right, back to 5 legendary box. That made my day. That's sexy. That is absolutely sexy. I will take it. So I don't expect nothing out of here, because, I mean, 6 legendaries in a box would be kind of crazy. Wow. What a box. What a box. What a box. Especially if you're trying to play these, the Dark Saver here. The only problem is, and like I said, I never noticed it in the old set. Maybe it's just me, but the curling seems not very good in this set. The first set I didn't really notice it. So, but you know, pringled. So yeah, it's the recap. Not too bad. I would say very great box. Anytime you get a hyperspace full legendary is always great. And yeah, 4 regular and a bonus one being hyperspace full. I love it. All right, well, hopefully you enjoyed the video, because I sure did. I mean, that was one heck of a box, I tell you. Where am I gonna put these? I'm trying to keep them because at the end of the videos, or on my last video of the case, I'm gonna show all the hits. So, all right, well, thanks for watching. Thumbs up, thumbs down, one of each. Subscribe if you haven't. Come back for the rest of the videos. But most importantly, have yourself a wonderful rest of your day and get out there and play some Star Wars or Sorcery or Fab or Lorcana. Just have fun. Card games are fun. They get you out of the house, and you meet new people and sometimes make new friends, and that's always fun. So enjoy yourself, and thank you for watching. I do appreciate it.